Right, we're at the last item here, which is how to connect contacts with your Botsii bot. With everything we've done up until now, it's about setting up your bot, activating it, making sure that everything's set up right with your right links, and also combining that with the attraction marketing bot and using that where you're using the social sharing group to get more engagement as well and posting consistent content. So now this is around how you connect people who are interested to find out more with your Botsii bot. So let's just take you through how you can do this. And bear in mind, this is not going to be the only way. There's lots of ways you can be connecting with people here, but we want to show you the principles so you understand it. So when you're coming in here, obviously you can read through all of this stuff. That's all fine. But what you want to be doing, in essence, if you imagine you're posting content online and people are commenting underneath that content. So let's say you've got, for example, a call to action where you've said DM to find out more. Or you might say comment info for more. Okay. So if that post is tied in with your product, you want someone to come along here and type info. And they may engage with you in other ways. They may ask you questions, they may like it, whatever, but you want engagement. So if someone comes along and puts info there, then that's where you're going to be following up with that person and wanting to connect them to your Botsii bot. So this is where what you would do is you would have your link to share with them. So this one here is obviously looking at health niche. So you might be, for example, promoting a company like Live Good. So if you imagine that you were promoting Live Good, you would have a link like this. This would be your promo link. If you remember, that's the promo link that we talked about here. You'll have your promo link. This is how the person will enter your bot. Your one job, if you like, is for them to click on this link or to come in here where they comment on the post. Because once they've done that, effectively, you will then be getting an email notification through from the system telling you that they have engaged with your bot. So, what I want to do is show you in real time how this works. So, I've gone to my email here, and my email has got, as you can see, no emails in it. And so I've kind of cleared it down just so I can show you this as a live demo. So when someone comes along, your job literally is to connect them to your bot because after that, they can access all the key info they need. They're in charge of that journey. They're not being forced down a sales funnel. They're not getting loads of spam messages back from a system. They're not having to jump through a million hoops to find out more. They just come into a bot and they're choosing the pathway. And they can literally join your company directly inside the bot. Okay. But if they want to connect with somebody, i.e., you, they can do that really easily because your contact details there. They can even schedule a call. And the bot is set up by a master distributor that's promoting the company who has basically looked at what other information and resources and links they can add into the bot in order to best present your opportunity. So all you've got to do is focus on bringing the person into your bot. So when they come along here, let's say the red button works. Obviously, I went through other scenarios here previously on how you could launch the bot. So maybe they have to come through this way. So by all means, hold their hand because you want to be following up with the person when they comment info. You want to basically say to them, look, I've got an interactive bot that I can share with you that's going to share the whole opportunity, the whole business. So they come along here, they're going to click on this, they're going to come into your bot. At the point at which they enter the bot here, you are going to receive an email in real time. So look, you can see it's confirmed that Dave Mindy has come into the bot. And literally, it tells you they've entered the bot. It has your referral links and all that kind of stuff there as well, tied alongside it too. So that all of that is there for you to be able to follow up. And if you need your links, they're all there, directly to hand. As the person navigates through the bot, you're going to get additional notifications through. Again, this is really important because you'll then understand who is interested and you're going to know how interested they are as well. Because some people might just come into here and do nothing else, whereas other people are going to come into the whole bot, they're going to watch all the videos, they're going to want to discover more, and they're going to literally navigate into the system and find out more and more about the business in the process. And if they hit skip presentation and things like that, guess what? The bot will follow up with them. This is where it's powerful and why you want to be focused on bringing them into the bot here. Just so they come into the bot because Botsii will then help follow up on your behalf afterwards. And as they're navigating through like this, Botsii will continue sending you through these email notifications. So now Botsii's told you that I've come into the main menu. All of this is in real time. And literally, if they come along here and click join now, you won't get the email yet. Literally, Botsii will wait until they take kind of more serious action, if you like. But as they come in and they look to actually join your team, and they're thinking of signing up and clicking on the button, your referral link, Botsii will basically send you through a notification. So I'm coming through to join here, and literally the referral link here would go through to your sign up page. Effectively, Botsii will be sending you through more notifications there. Right at the point at which someone's looking to join, you get another email flagged as important. So this is crucial for you to be able to follow up. But you don't get the benefit of this unless you connect the person with your bot here. And what you want to be doing is getting them excited. Okay, so don't just because someone's commented info here, just send your link and forget about it. Follow up with them, have a chat with them on Messenger, maybe even speak to them and get them really excited as to why, they should actually come into your bot, why they should check out the business that you want to promote. Because your goal is to get them to come through here to sign up and take action. And if you don't get them excited, they're not going to do that. They're going to come into the bot, they might not even click on it. Okay. Or they're going to come into the bot and not really take action. So the more excited they are, the more motivated they are, the more action they'll take. Cool thing is, you know exactly who the interested people are, who are the tire kickers. So when it comes to following up, you need to know who to focus your energy on and with, because they're the people more likely to join if they've taken massive action. There's actually 12 trigger points inside the bot. So you'll get 12 different notifications coming through in real time if they come into the bot and they literally navigate through and they go through all of the menu options and click on all the buttons. Remember too, they can even buy your bot, the Botsii bot, inside the bot too. So not only can they join your team, but they can also come along here and they click on visit Botsii and effectively from here they can actually buy the Botsii bot through your referral link when they're clicking on here. So this is very, very cool. At the end of the day, you may have scenarios where somebody doesn't want to buy into your company, into your business, but they like the bot and they buy into the Botsii bot and they use that to promote whatever company they're in. You're then going to earn 5 levels deep into that company, into their network, uh, even though they said no to joining your team with their whatever company you're promoting. So all of that is integrated into the bot, which is very, very cool. And you get those notifications through as well. So if somebody's looking at Botsii inside your Botsii bot, you'll know and you'll have your link to hand. So literally you could share that link there and they could come along and buy the bot from you directly inside your bot. They can do that. They can even, if they're not sure, get a free version of it, as you can see here, and then they'll then appear in your affiliate area as a lead, and you'll then get their contact details. Okay, all of this is integrated together so that you can be strengthening the relationship that you have with the prospects that connect with you all through this one tool. And your goal, again, to reiterate, is to bring people in so they connect with your bot, either this way here or by clicking here and commenting on the post and then literally copy and pasting your invite code. They're just coming along here, typing in launch. Botsii will reply back to them, and then they will reply back with your invite code. So I show you just how that works there. You can see they'll get a message like this. This is what will happen when they do this. You won't get the notification through until they've kind of completed these first couple of steps. So it's important that you know what user experience they're going through so that you can help them on that journey. Literally now they're going to be coming into the bot and launching that bot again for the first time. And you will be then getting another email through at that point through the system here. So if I click there, that will just refresh and the one will come through because they've entered your bot. So there we are. You can see there, Dave Mindy entered your Live Good chatbot. So all of this is a tool that's very, very powerful. You just need to know how to use it, how to connect people to it. Obviously, if you're posting online like this, that's one way of doing it. But you could equally be sharing that via Messenger to your contacts and doing it that way as well. You don't have to just be posting online. You could be messaging people with some of your posts by sharing like this. You could just be direct messaging some of your contacts as well. So, at the end of the day, it's about you putting this in front of as many people as possible. You could be posting into Facebook groups and people are commenting. And when people comment, you then reply back and you start messaging brand new people into your network. So it's all about connecting with people, as many people as possible, with your bot. Let the bot do the heavy lifting, because if you connect with 10 people here like this, then you'll know out of those 10 people who are the best prospects to follow up with. And you'll know in real time because you're getting these emails through. And that gives you a huge advantage when it comes to following up because of these notifications. And obviously, if they don't buy into Botsii or they don't buy into your business, share with them the fact that you have this visibility. Because if the person doesn't buy into Botsii, I keep saying this, if the person doesn't buy into your business, they can buy into Botsii, okay? And they can come along and buy the bot here. And all you've got to do is have a conversation with them about what company they're promoting. And you could go to botsii.com, go to the marketplace, and if the company they're promoting is in the list here, then you know they could get their bot up and running like the same day. They could be up and running in an hour and literally be going through the exact same fast you've gone through here live with whatever company they're promoting and sharing with their team, etc. And you're earning from that introduction. So that's how powerful this is. I hope you found this really useful going through this fast start guide. You should be up and running now. Now's the time for you to implement this and to get better and better doing so that it becomes second nature and just becomes a standard part of what you do every day in terms of how you're scaling and growing your network marketing business. So, congratulations. I look forward to seeing you progress and grow and inside the members area. So, thank you very much. Best of luck with all.